So just like I'm telling you that today we are just building an amazing blog website here. So this is our blog website which I want to show you here. So we will be using React.js plus Express.js, and we will be also using here Tailwind CSS to give it the responsive effect. So I hope you'll be understanding this project which we are building. So it will be really helpful video for you, and I hope you'll be understanding this project which we are building here. You can see we are just getting the logo of Bloggy at the left side, which is looking good, and at the right we are getting like our navbar menus like home, recent post, and the membership you can say icon, which is having a beautiful underline effect, which is looking good. Then we are getting the search box as well, which is looking really awesome. You can see here you can search anything here. It is asking you that please enter at least 3 characters. You can see we are getting a placeholder of search, which is looking really good, and it is also styled really awesome. Then you can press this cross button to close your search bar. You can see this. So it is looking really awesome. You can see. So this is the beautiful animation effect which I have done using Tailwind CSS here. This is the join button in which we are getting a beautiful background purple effect, which is looking really awesome. You can see, you can say it a blue effect which we are getting here at the back. Then we are getting a bold text which is written here like here we are bloggy, like this a text is written. Then we are also getting the light text which is saying us see our thoughts, stories and ideas, like this. Then down we are getting an amazing email address placeholder which is looking good, and this is the input box. From here you can write your email address and subscribe to their newsletter, and you can get the email newsletter unlocked by just purchasing their member only content and update. So this is the you can say paragraph which I have written here. Then this is the subscribe button which we are getting. So after writing your email address, you can press the subscribe button to subscribe their newsletter. And now down we are just now getting here the get started with our best stories. Like you can see their best stories of blogs. So these are the stories which we are getting. Like you can see how good looking is our blog style. Like we are getting a image which is looking very good. Then we are also getting the profile effects on our image which is looking good, awesome. You can put any of the profile effect. Like here there are 2 options of profile image. You can put your own image as well, or any other sample image as well you can put. Then these are some of the like blog tags which is written by the user. Like in this blog what information you will get, means you will be getting the idea of designing and you will be getting a different idea and review of this blog. You can also just see the title. Like title is written new technology is not good or evil in and of itself. So you can read about it by just writing your own text. Here I've written sample text of lorem ipsum, but you can write a original text as well of this blog which I've written the title as. Then secondly we are again getting another different image here with the different profile down here. You can put any of the image. Like I've telling you sample image you can also use here. Then this is the creative product tag which is put by the user, and this is the title of this blog which we are getting. Like it's a new era in design, there are no rules, like this. Then down we are getting a lorem ipsum text here. This is the sample text which I have written. You can put any other random text as well, means if you want to put the original text or any other sample text you can use that. Then we are getting a beautiful slider effect in this project. You can see when you will be scrolling this arrow, so from this you will be getting a beautiful slider effect which is looking really awesome. You can see this, that we have put this slider effect also using Tailwind CSS. And moving forward in the project I will be telling you that how we have put this slider effect here. Then this is the perfection has to do with the end product, means this is another title of the blog which we are getting, and these are the tags of the blog like design, creative ideas. These are the blog sections which we are, or blog tags you can say, which we are getting here. Then this is the text of lorem ipsum which we have written. So you can get any other original text or any other sample text you can use here as well. Then this is another image here with the different profile images you can see. And then again we are getting a different heading here of the blog and with the different tags as well. Then this is the paragraph which we are getting. Then if I just do like this, so you can see we are getting another image here with the different you can say the heading here, and we are also getting the lorem ipsum random text here as well. Then we are getting an image here with the profile image with the different tags here, and we are also getting the different title plus different you can say paragraph. But in the every blog I have just used the same paragraph. You can use different paragraph as well if you want to use here. Then if I just move down, you can see again we are getting some of the blogs, but this is differently styled. Like we are getting see what we have written lately. So these are the people who have made this blog like this. You can put any of the authors, like I've written here, meet our top authors. You can put any of the author pictures, like you can put your own picture or any other picture as well. Then these are the blogs which is just made by the authors. You can see these are the profile images and these are the tags of the blogs, and this is the title of the blog, and this is the lorem ipsum text which I have written in every blog. Means same text I have written in every blog. You can put different text as well if you want to put. Then this is we are getting like now we are getting somewhere means another title we are getting with the different tags and the background image, and again we are getting down same thing, and the load more button with the same hover effect like at the top we are getting on the join button. So it is looking really awesome. And now the last thing which I want to show you, which is the coolest thing of this blog website, the responsive effect which we have just given through Tailwind CSS. So we have just built this project using this blog website we have just built using React.js, Express.js, and Tailwind CSS. But the amazing thing of this blog website is that this responsive effect which we have just given through Tailwind CSS, in every device you will be seeing this blog website will be looking really awesome. You can see in every device, if I show you, it is looking really awesome. Means this blog website which we are building, you can see how good looking is that. So like this you can just create this project here. So I hope you'll be understanding this project which we are building from start. This is a responsive blog website which we are building through Tailwind CSS and React.js and Express.js. So if you understand this video and if you enjoy this video from start, remember to hit a like, and if you're new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell so you can just see more videos like that which I will be uploading in future. So just now we'll be starting with our video, and from start we will be seeing that how we are building this project of blog website from start using React.js, Express.js, and just Tailwind CSS to give it the beautiful responsive effect from start. Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel New Iballdesigningdeveloper Developer. Like you all know that in the previous videos we have covered up many of the projects using Python and artificial intelligence plus DSA. Also we have covered up many of the projects. So now I think that we should just move on to other languages. Like we have covered up many of the things using Python in artificial intelligence and on data structure algorithm with Python. But now I think that we should start projects with other language as well. So today I have just built the project of React.js, and today I will be telling you that how you can use React.js and Next.js to build an amazing web page here. So we are building an amazing web page. This will be not a normal web page because we are not building it using HTML, CSS like languages. We are using React.js and Next.js to build this amazing web page, and it will be a car web page which we are building. So I hope you will be understanding this amazing web page which we are building. It will be not really like big web page which you can just say. So it will be a normal landing page like web page. So it will be really understandable for you, and I just not make big projects like I can build websites also using React.js, Next.js, but I think that it is the start which we are taking on React and Next.js. So we should start from small projects here. So because of that, I'm just building this amazing web page. It will be not so much big web page, but it will be really helpful for you if you understand this web page from start, like how to use React.js and Next.js to build these web pages and landing pages. So it will be really helpful for you. You can create your own website also using these languages, and you can just host these website on any of like you can say like hosting or GoDaddy. You can just host these website on these all platforms, and you can use your website as your blog website as well to earn money from that. So I hope you'll be understanding this video which we are building here, the web page using React.js and Next.js, and it is our first video on this channel of React.js, and I hope you'll be understanding this project here. So if you want me to just make more videos using React.js and many different languages, you can suggest me in the comment like what videos I should build. So then using these all languages I'll be building that videos as well. So now we'll be starting with our video today and seeing that how we are building this amazing car web page using these all amazing languages from start. So just like I'm telling you that today we are just building an amazing blog website, and today we are building this blog website using React.js, Express.js, and Tailwind CSS to give it the responsive effect. So for building this blog website, we have to open our main folder in which I have stored my all the files which we will be using in this amazing blog website here. So I will be making a new window directly. So after making the new window, I will be now closing my previous window which I was having, and then I will be opening this folder in my I will be now opening my folder through downloads. So if I just show you, so we are just getting our just you can say this is the bloggy master folder, and in this folder I have stored all the files which we will be needing to build this amazing blog website here. So now this is our main file of the blog website. Here I will be moving and removing all the things which we will be needing because we will be not needing these all stuff here. So I will be moving down, and then I will be directly removing these all stuff which we will be not needing in this project here. So I will be now moving here, and then you have to now just directly remove this. After removing these all files here, I will be directly now doing one thing. I will be removing this body tag here. Then you have to save this file, and then you have to just close it. After closing this, I will be opening it in my default Google Chrome browser. So this was our folder. If I show you, so this is the bloggy master folder, and this was our file. So you can see now it is totally empty. We are getting nothing here. So I will be now doing it side by side so we can get all the codes at the right side here when we will be writing at the left. Now, when you are getting all the things, we have to start writing the code which we will be writing to build this amazing blog website. You can see here the title is, so you can give any of the title, like I've just give the bloggy title. You can just give here the title as like blog website, and here I will be writing in React.js like this. Save it here and then reload. You can see now we are getting the title here, the blog website in React.js like this. You can give any other title as well. After giving this title, we have to now just start our main code. So first of all, we'll be creating header of this blog website. So for creating header, you have to write a header class in this, and then I will be now writing here the class of header section like this. Then you have to now write here data header like this. Then you have to now create here div class container after this tag. So you can see now we have created this. Then you have to now give here the class of logo. Right here image assist and then images folder we are getting here, and our file name is logo.svg. So I have defined this file name here through my image folder. After writing this logo.svg file, we have to now set the width here of our logo, which should be 129. Then set the height as well, which should be 40 like this. Now in the alternate, you can write any alternate text, but if you don't want to write, so it's your choice here, because it is not an important thing to write here. Now you can just write, just you can move down after this a tag, because now we have created our logo, and now we can move on to create our nav bar. Now we have created a nav class in which I have written nav bar. Then write here data nav bar like this, and after writing this, you have to now write here ul. So I will be now creating a ul here in which I will be writing nav bar dash list. Then you have to move down right here li tag class nav bar. Then I will be now writing here item. Then you have to move down right here a tag class and write here nav bar link. So I will be now writing here nav bar link hover and write here underline like this. Now you have to now write here data nav link. Then in the center I will be writing home. Save it here, and then you have to move after this li tag li here like this, and then you have to now give here the class nav bar, and then I will be now writing here item. Then you have to move down right here a tag class, and then I will be writing nav bar and write here link and write hover underline like this. And after writing underline, you have to now just do one thing. You have to write here data nav link like this, and then you have to just now write here recent post. So I will be writing here recent post like this. You can see we have written this thing as well. Then create another class which will be nav bar item, and in this class I will be now writing here class again. Write here nav bar link and write here hover underline like this. Now you have to now write here data nav link. After writing this tag, you have to now just do one thing. I will be writing here membership like this. And after writing this tag, you have to move down, and then you have to move after this nav tag. Write here div class wrapper, and then you have to just move down right here button class, and I will be writing here search btn. Then you have to write here area label is equals to, and area label is equals to, I will be writing here search, and then you have to now write here like this tag and write here data dash search. Then I will be writing here toggler. Then I will be now moving down and write here a tag which should be like icon. So here I will be creating this tag in which I will be writing name search icon. So I will be now writing here search outline. Right here area hidden is equals to true. Then you have to now just do one thing. You have to move down and write here span tag class and write here span search like this. Now you have to move down right here button class, and then I will be writing nav toggle btn. Then here I will be writing area label. Then I will be just now writing here toggle menu. Then you have to write here data nav toggler like this. Then you have to just move down after this tag and write here span tag class which will be span1. And then you have to move down and write here span class span2 like this. And then you have to now just move down and write here span class span3. So you can see now we have just created this. After writing this tag, you have to move down right here a tag and write here class which should be like btn and write here join like this. Then you have to move down and write here center, move down after the header class, save it here, then reload. You can see now we are just getting here the nav bar which is having the burger effect as well, which is saying home, recent post, membership, and the search box as well, and the bloggy logo we are getting here. Now after moving this head down after this header tag, you have to create a div class search bar. So I will be now creating a class of search bar. Right here data search bar like this. Then when you've written this tag, you have to directly now move down after this and create here a div called class. In class I will be writing here input wrapper. Then you have to write here input type search like this and write here name search. So I will be now writing here search. Write placeholder here which should be search. Then you have to now directly move forward after this tag and then right here class input field, and then after writing this input field you have to now move down, right here button class, and right here search, and write close btn like this, right here area label, then I will be now just writing here area label is equals to close search bar, and then you have to move down, or you can say like this, and write here data search toggler, and then you have to move down after this tag, right here in dash icon. So I will be now moving here, right here in dash icon, and right here name which should be close outline like this, and right here area hidden is equals to true like this thing. Then you have to directly move down after this, and then I will be now moving down, right here p tag, right class which should be like search bar text. Then I will be now writing here please enter at least, then I will be writing 3 characters like this. Then when you've written this, you have to move down and write here div class overlay. So I will be now writing here div class overlay like this, and then you have to write here data overlay. So I will be writing here and write here data search, and then I will be now writing here toggler. After writing this tag, you have to now move down after this close div tag here, and write here main article, and then you have to directly move down, right here section class, and write section hero. So I will be now moving here, right here area label is equals to home. So I will be writing this. Then you have to directly move down, right here div class container, and then you have to write here h1 class, and write here h1 hero title. Then I will be moving down, right here strong tag. So I will be writing here strong class, and I will be writing strong tag here as well. Then in center I will be writing hey we are like this, then I will be writing bloggy. Then you can give any of the text like this. So I will be writing here see our thoughts, then I will be writing comma, right here stories and ideas like this. Then you have to directly move down, right here div class wrapper, and then you have to directly write here form, action should be empty, write directly here newsletter form. Then I will be moving down, and after moving down just you have to create here our input, and in input I will be writing type email, and write here name which should be email address. So here I will be writing, then write here placeholder. So I will be now writing here placeholder like this. In placeholder I will be writing your email address. Then you have to directly write here class email field. Then you have to now move down, right here button type should be submit, and write here class btn, and then you have to write here subscribe like this, which is the button name which I have written now. Save it and then reload. You can see now we are getting here hey we are bloggy, see our thoughts, stories and idea which I have written here. Then we are getting a placeholder of email address and the subscribe button at the right side, which is having a beautiful purple button effect here. Now after writing this thing, just you have to move down, create a p tag with the class of newsletter. So I will be now writing here newsletter, just text here like this. Then you have to close this, and you can now write here like the text which I am writing like get the email newsletter, and I will be writing an unlock. So I will be writing an unlock access to members only. Then I will be writing content and updates like this. Now when you've written this, you have to move down, and then move down after this as well. Move after the close section tag which I have created here, and then you have to now just directly create a section tag here as well, and create a class of like section featured. So I will be now writing here section featured like this. Right here area label is equals to featured post. Then you have to move down, right here div class, and then you have to now just write here container. Then you have to write here p tag class, and write here section like this, and write here subtitle. Then you have to write here get started. So here I will be now writing get started with our like this, and write here strong tag, right class which should be like strong. Then in center I will be writing best stories like this. Then when you've written this, you have to write here ul class, and then write here has scroll bar. So I will be now writing scroll bar like this. Then you have to write here li. So here I will be now writing li class, and in class I will be this time writing here scroll bar item. Then write here div class block card. So here I will be now writing like this. Then write here figure, and in the figure tag I will be now just writing class. So here I will be removing this e from here which is written. Then I will be now writing here card banner. So I will be now writing here right here image holder. Then I will be now writing here style is equals to dash width, and I will be writing 500. After writing this, you have to directly now write here height. So here I will be now writing height should be 600 like this. Now you have to give here the tag. So here I will be moving down, right here image tag. In source I will be writing my image URL like assist images. Then I will be writing featured dash one.jpg, which is our image name. Then I will be giving here the width of like 500, height of like 600, and then I will be writing here loading lazy like this. Now when you've written this thing, just I will be writing here class image cover. Then you have to move down, right here UL tag class, right here avatar list, and right here absolute like this. And then you have to write here li tag class, and right here avatar item. Then I will be now writing here a tag, right class like this, and right here avatar. Then right here image holder, and write style is equals to width, and right here 100. Then when you've written this, you have to directly now move forward after this, and right here height 100. Then when you've written this, you have to write here loading. So here I will be now writing loading, which should be lazy like this. And after writing this tag, you have to now write here class image cover. And then when you've written this, you have to now move down after this. Right here li tag class avatar. Then I will be now writing here item. Then when you've written this, you have to write here a tag, and then you have to create avatar again. Then I will be writing image holder like this, and right here style, and in style I will be now writing dash width, which should be 100, and right here dash height, which should be 100 as well like this. Now when you've written this thing, just I will be now moving down, and then after this tag you have to now create a thing like this. So you can see we have now create this tag. After writing this, you have to now just do one thing. After writing these all stuff, before this I will be moving here, then I will be moving down after this tag, and after moving down you have to now just create an image tag here as well. So I will be now writing here image. In source I will be now just writing here dot slash assist, and right here images slash author one dot jpeg. Here I will be writing width 100, and I will be writing here height should be 100, right here loading lazy. Then I will be writing here like class, which should be image cover. Save it here. So we have just now done this, so I will be moving down here as well. So I will be now moving down like this, and right here image tag, and right here source dot slash assist images, right here author 2 this time, and then I will be now setting the width 100 here, and then you have to set the height as well. So you can just set any of the height. So I will be writing 100 like at the top we have said. Then here I will be now writing loading. So here I will be now writing loading, which should be lazy, and here you have to write class, which should be like image cover. Then after writing this, you have to directly move down, and after moving down, just I will be moving down here like this. So here you have to now just do one thing like this, and then you have to move after close figure tag here, and right here class should be cart content. Then you have to move down, right here UL tag class, and I will be writing here card meta list. Then I will be moving right here li tag a tag class card tag. Then in the center I will be writing design. Then you have to write here li tag a tag class, and right here card tag. Then in the center I will be writing here idea, and here you have to write li tag a tag, and right here class, which should be like card tag. Then here you have to write review. Then you have to move down, right here li tag a tag class, and then you have to now just do one thing. You have to remove this all stuff which we have written here, and after writing this, you have to write here h3 tag class h4. Then you have to now write here a tag, right class, which should be card title, and right here our, and just semicolon I will be writing here, and I will be writing underline like this. Then you have to write here new technology. So I will be writing new technology, and right here is not good, and I will be writing or evil like this, and right here in end of itself like this. And then you have to save it, and then reload. You can see now we are getting this stuff here, like first image we are getting, and after getting this, you have to move down, right here p tag class card text here like this, and then you have to move down, right here a simple text. So I will be writing culum. Then you have to write here v Eula, then right here do we, and then I will be directly writing here lorem some text like this. Save it here, and after saving this tag here, you have to now directly do one thing. Here I will be now pressing enter, then here as well, and then you have to move down, create a class of scroll bar item, and then you have to move down right here this class block card, and right here figure. So I will be now writing here figure tag like this, right here class card banner, then I will be now writing here image holder, and then after writing this you have to give here the style which should be width, and in width I will be now just moving here and writing here 500, and right here height as well which should be 600. Then you have to now directly move down after this tag, and right here image tag and source I will be writing dot slash assist images, and right here featured too like this, and right here width of 500, height I will be now writing here 600, right here loading lazy, so here I will be now writing here. Then you have to write here class, and in class I will be writing image cover. Now when you've written this, you have to directly move down, right here UL class, and right here avatar list, and then I will be writing here absolute like at the top we have written, right here li tag class, and I will be writing here avatar item. Then I will be now pressing backspace here, and then you have to move down here, right here a tag class, and I will be writing avatar image holder like this, and right here style is equals to dash width, and then I will be writing 100, and right here height, and after writing this height you have to now write here 100 like this. Then you have to just now make this tag, and right here loading is equals to lazy, and right here class image cover. So here I will be now writing this. After writing this you have to now move down, and then here you have to just directly now you have to remove this all like we have written the height 100 like this. So here I will be now writing like this, and after writing this height 100 you have to directly do one thing, you have to move down, and then I will be now writing here image, and right here image source should be like dot slash ss images slash author 3. So I will be now moving forward here. After this right here width which should be like 100, and then I will be writing here height which should be like 100, right here loading, and right here lazy. So here I will be now writing here class image cover, so I will be now writing here. Then here after this you have to move down, and then I will be moving down like this, right here div class card content like this, and then I will be now writing here ul tag, so I will be now writing here ul class, and right here card meta, so I will be now writing here list. Then you have to move down, right here li tag a tag class card tag like this, and right here creative. And after writing this you have to move down, right here li tag, so here I will be now writing here li tag class, and right here card tag, and then I will be now writing product. Then when you've written this li tag a tag class card tag like this, and then after writing this tag you have to now just directly press Ctrl Z here, and then you have to now move down h3 class h4, and then you have to write here a tag class, and here I will be writing card title. Then I will be now just writing here our underline like this, and after writing this you have to now directly move down, right here it's a new era, then I will be writing in design comma, right here there are no rules. Then when you've written this you have to move down p tag class card text like this, and then you have to paste it. Oh sorry, just I will be moving here, and I will be writing lorem tag like this thing, and you can see we have done this. So I will be now pressing 2 enters after this tag here, and after writing this you have to now directly move down, right here another li tag like this, right here scroll bar, so I will be now writing here scroll bar, but I will be now saving and showing you like till where we have just created. Now you can see we have created 2 stories like here. You can see this is the new era and the new technologies dot good or even like this. Now when you've created you have to write here scroll bar item like this again, right here div class block card like this thing, and then you have to move down, right here figure class, and I will be writing card banner, and write like this like image holder. And when you've written this you have to give here style, width should be like 500, and I will be now writing here height should be like 600 like this. So here I will be now writing 600. Close this tag, and after closing just you have to just move down, and right here image tag, and right here source. In source I will be writing dot slash assist images, then I will be now writing here featured 3, right here width should be 500, and right here height should be like 600, right loading is equals to lazy like this. Now When you've written this, you have to write here class image cover. Then I will be now moving down after this tag and write here UL tag. So here I will be now moving right here awaiter list, and I will be writing here absolute. Then I will be now writing here li tag class awaiter, and then I will be now writing here item. Then I will be now writing here a tag and write class which should be like awaiter, and write image holder. So I will be now writing here image holder like this. Style is equals to width and write 100. Then when you've written this, you have to write here height which should be 100. Then when you've written this, you have to create here the image tag like this. So here I will be now creating an image tag, and in source I will be writing dot slash assist images. Then I will be writing author 4. So I will be now writing here author 4 like this. Write here a tag which should be like width 100, and write here height which should be 100. Write loading, and then I will be writing here lazy. Write here class image cover. So I will be now writing here image cover like this. And after writing this, you have to now directly do one thing. I will be moving after close figure tag. Write here diff class cart content like this, and then you have to write here UL class, and I will be writing here cart meta list. Then you have to now write here li tag, a tag, and then I will be writing class cart tag. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing design. Then you have to write here li tag, a tag class, and I will be writing here cart tag, write creative. Then you have to write here li tag, a tag class, and here I will be now writing cart tag, and then you have to write here idea like this, and then you have to move down, write here h3 class h4. So here I will be now writing a tag, then you have to give here class start title and write here hover underline. Then you have to now move down right here perfection. So I will be writing here perfection has to do with the end. Then I will be writing product. Then when you've written this thing, just I will be now moving after this h3 tag, write here p tag class cart text. Then I will be now writing here lorem tag. Then after writing this, you have to move down, and then you have to move after this li tag here li class, and then I will be writing here scroll bar item. So here I will be now writing like diff class, and I will be writing here block card. Then when you've written this, write here figure, which should be like class having of card banner. Then I will be writing here image holder. Then when you've written this, write here style width which should be like 500, and write here height of like 600. Then when you've written this, you have to give here image. So here I will be now setting image which should be like dot slash assist images featured 4. Then I will be now writing here width 500, and right here height should be like you can say 600 like this. Then I will be writing here loading which should be is equals to lazy, and right here like class which should be image cover. Then when you've written this thing, just I will be now moving down after this, right here UL class. So here I will be now giving here the class awaiter list. Then I will be now writing here absolute. Then when you've written this, you have to write here li tag class awaiter, and then I will be now writing here item. Then when you've written this, just a tag. Then I will be now setting here the class. So class should be like awaiter. So I will be now writing here awaiter class, and write here image holder. And then you have to now write here style is equals to width, then 100, and then like this height I will be now setting 100. After writing this, you have to now just move down like this, and here I will be now just writing here image which should be like dot slash assist, and I will be writing images slash author 5 dot jpeg. Now when you've written this, you have to give here 100 width, and then I will be writing here height 100. Right here loading, so I will be now writing here loading lazy. So I will be writing here loading is equals to lazy. Right here class image cover like this. Then when you've written this, you have to now directly move down after this tag. Right here li tag class awaiter, and right here item, right here a tag, and then right here class awaiter image, and right here holder. Then when you've written this, right here is style, and right width which should be like 100, and right here height. And after writing height, you have to now just write here 100 like this. Then after writing this tag, you have to now move down after this, and then I will be creating another image. Right here dot slash assist images slash author, and then I will be now just writing here author 2 like this. So you can see we have just written this all stuff here, and after writing these all things, you can see we are now getting this stuff if I show you. So you can see this we are now getting. If I just move at the top, so you can see here we are just now getting. Okay, so now it is looking good. So after getting these all stuff here, I will be now just moving forward, and then you have to set here the width 100, and right here height should be also 100. So I will be now writing here the height is equals to 100 again. Then you have to now just set here the class image cover. Then when you've written this, you have to move down, and I will be now just moving after the figure tag which we have closed. Then I will be now writing here card content like this, and then you have to write here UL class, and I will be writing here card meta list. Then I will be now writing here li tag a tag class card tag here. Then I will be now writing here people like this. After writing this tag, you have to move after this close li tag here and write here a tag class card tag like this, and in the center I will be writing here story. Then you have to now just move down right here h3 class h4. So I will be now moving down here right here a tag, and after writing this you have to give here class card title and write here hover, and then I will be now writing here underline like this. And then after writing this tag you have to write here everyone and write here has a different. So here I will be now writing everyone has a different live story like this, and write here p tag class card text like this, and write here just move down right here Lauren tag like this. And after writing this you have to now just move down, and then after writing this move down again. So you can see we have now done this. Save it here and then reload. You can see now we are getting all the stuff here, and with this we are getting a scrolling effect as well in our images. If I show you like this, now when you are getting this you have to directly move down, and now here we will be giving some of the Tailwind CSS effect to make it responsive as well. So I will be now writing here all bar item here. Then I will be writing div class and write here block card. So here I will be writing block card like this, and write here figure. And in figure I will be now just writing here class. In class I will be writing card banner, and then you have to now write here image folder like this. So I will be now creating image folder, and write here style dash width and write here 500. So like this. Then create here height 600. Then when you've written this you have to write here image. So I will be now moving down like this and write here image tag, in which I will be writing dot slash ss images slash write here featured file. Then you have to now directly write here width 500 and write here height should be like 600. Write loading, and then I will be now writing here loading should be like lazy like this. Write here class image cover. Now when you've written this you have to directly now do one thing. You have to move down after this tag, write here ul class, and in this I will be writing awaiter list item. Then you have to now write here awaiter list absolute like this, and write here li tag class, and I will be now writing here awaiter and write here item. Then when you've written this you have to directly move down, and after moving down just you have to create here the class which should be like awaiter dash, or you can say image holder directly. Then write here style which should be having the width of 100, and write here height should be like 100. Then when you've written this you have to now image tag you have to write. So here I will be now moving forward after this and write here image tag like this, and then I will be writing assist images slash author 6. So I will be now writing this and write here width which should be like 100, and write here height 100. Write here loading should be like lazy. So I will be now writing here class image cover. Then when you've written this you have to now move down and move after this figure tag. Write here div class card content like this, and write here ul tag class, and I will be writing here card meta list. Then I will be now writing here li tag a tag, write card tag like this, and in this I will be writing design, and write here li tag a tag class, and write here card tag, and in the center now this time I will be writing lifestyle. So here I will be writing this. Then you have to write here li tag, again a tag, then write here card tag like this, and then you have to now write here idea. And after writing this you have to directly move down h3, you have to write class h4. Then you have to directly now move in the center here and then move down by pressing enter. Write here class, and then in class I will be writing card title and hover, and then I will be writing here underline. Then when you've written this just remove this 1d from here, and then you have to move down right here the difference. So here I will be now writing the difference is quality. And then when you've written this, write here p tag class start text, and then I will be now writing here lorem. Then when you've written this, then you have to now just move down after this tag, and then here you have to write li tag class and write here scroll bar. Then when you've written this, you have to write here item and write div class block card like this. Then when you've written this, you have to write here figure class, and then I will be now writing here card banner. Then you have to write here image holder. Then you have to write here style is equals to width, and I will be writing 500. Right here height should be like 600. Then I will be now writing here image. So here I will be now moving here and write here image source should be like ./ss images slash, and I will be writing featured 6. Then when you've written this, write here width 500 and write here height which should be 600. Write here loading lazy. So I will be now writing here. Then you have to write here class image cover. So I will be now writing this like this. Now when you've written this, you have to write here UL tag and then write here class which should be like avatar list and write here absolute. So here I will be now moving down, right here li tag class, right here avatar item like this, and then you have to write here a tag class here like this tag, and after creating the class here I will be writing avatar image holder. Then when you've written this, you have to give here style and write here width should be like 100, and after writing this you have to create here height 100. Then you have to write here image. So here I will be now writing image like this, and then in image source I will be now just writing ./ss images slash and write here author 3 this time. So here I will be now changing this to 3. Write here width 100, and then you have to give here the height as well which should be like 100. Then you have to write here loading. So I will be now writing here loading lazy and write here class which should be like image cover. So I will be now writing here cover like this, and right here just you have to move down, then move after this figure tag which we have written. Right here div class card content. So I will be now writing this, and right here UL tag class and right here card meta, and I will be writing here list. Then you have to write here li tag a tag, and I will be now writing here class card tag, and in this I will be writing idea, and then you have to move down right here a tag and right here card tag like this. Then in the center I will be now just writing here creating, and then you have to move down. Then you have to just move down again right here h4 like this, and then in this you have to move down like this and write here class which should be like card title, and right here hover which should be underline. Then here I will be writing problems. So here I will be now writing problems like this are not stop signs, and then you have to write here comma they are right here guidelines. Then when you've written this, you have to move down right here p tag class card text. So here I will be now writing right here lorem is some random text. So here I will be now writing this. After writing this, you have to give a space from here, and then from here as well. After moving down, just give a space from here, and then from this section tag as well. Now you have to move under this section tag which we have just now made here. So after moving down in this section tag, you have to now just create a recent post section. So I will be now creating a section again which should be like section recent like this, and I will be now writing here area label is equals to, then I will be writing here recent post. So I will be now writing this. Right here div class and right here container. Then I will be now writing here div class and right here title wrapper, and we have to now write here h2 class and write here h2 section title like this. Then you have to now write here c what, then you write here we have. Then when you've written this, you have to write here strong tag. So here I will be writing this. Then you have to give here the class which should be strong. Then after writing this, you have to write here return, and then I will be writing here lately like this, and then you have to write div class right here top author like this. Then right here UL class, and I will be writing here avatar list like this, and right here li tag class avatar list. So here I will be now writing here, and after writing this, here you can write here avatar item like this, and write here a tag, and after writing this tag, you have to now create here class avatar large, and then I will be now writing here image holder. Then you have to give here the style which should be width 100, and then right here height should be like 100. Then right here image. So I will be now writing here the image tag like this, and right here image source should be dot slash ss images slash author1. So here I will be now writing author1, right here width 100 height, and I will be writing here 100, right here class image cover. So I will be now writing here image cover the class. After writing, you have to now move after this li tag here, right here li tag again, right class should be like avatar item. So I will be now writing here avatar item the class like this, and after writing you have to move down, right here a tag, and I will be now giving here the class avatar, and right here large image holder. So I will be now writing like this, and after writing you have to give here the style, which should be having the width of like 100, and give here the height of 100. Then after writing you have to just now write here image. So I will be now moving down after this tag, and right here image source should be like dot slash ss images slash, and then I will be writing here author 2. Then when you've written this, you have to write here width 100, and right here height should be like 100. Class should be image cover. Save it here, then reload. So if I show you, you can see now we are getting here, and then these are the images which we are now getting in this section. So after getting this thing, just you have to now write here li tag class avatar item. So I will be now writing here avatar item like this, and I will be now just moving down, right here a tag, and write class avatar like this, and I will be writing here large, and right here image holder as well. Now when you've written this, you have to give here a style which should be like width, and in width I will be writing 100, right here height should be like 100. Then when you've written this, you have to give here a image effect like this. So here I will be moving down, right here image effect of like dot slash assist images, and right here author 3 like this. Then when you've written this, you have to give here the width 100, and right here height of like 100. Class image cover I will be writing like this. Now when you've written this, you have to move down after this tag, right here li tag avatar. So I will be now writing here item like this, and right here a tag class, and right here avatar large, and I will be now writing here image holder, and right here style is equals to width. So I will be now writing here width like this, and then you have to now just here I will be now giving here the 100. So when you've written this, you have to now just set the height as well, which should be like 100. Now when you've written this, you have to directly move down after this tag, and then I will be now creating an image tag here. In this image tag, I will be now writing here the source should be like dot slash ss images slash, and I will be writing here author5 dot jpeg. Then you have to write here width 100, and right here the height should be like 100 as well. Then you have to write here the class image cover. So I will be now writing here the class image cover like this. Now when you've written this thing, just you have to move down, and then you have to directly move down here as well. Right here span class span, and right here meet our, and right here top authors like this. Then when you've written this, you have to directly move down, and after moving down, just here you have to write div class, and right here grid list. Then you have to directly move down, right here li tag div tag class, and right here block card like this, and you have to move down, right here figure class, and I will be writing here card banner. So I will be writing here like this image holder, and right here style tag like this, and in style tag I will be writing width 550. So here I will be now writing, then you have to write here height should be like 660 like this. Now you have to directly write like this and write here 660, then remove the 660 which we have written here. Now after writing these all things, you can see we are now getting all this stuff like this thing. If I just show you like this, so it is looking perfect. You can see if I just show you. So now when you are getting these all stuff, just I will be moving to my file, because I will be needing some of the like codes here to work with this. So you can see we are now getting this all stuff. So I will be now just doing one thing, like I will be closing this tag, and here I will be just doing some things, like here I will be moving in this, and then you have to directly save this which we have just written, and then you have to reload. You can see now we are getting all this stuff which we are now writing here. If I show you, so you can see this will just it is looking perfectly. If I just show you, so here this was the recent post section which we were creating. If I show you like this, so now we have just given it the width like this thing. If I show you here, so you can see here we have just given it the width and height perfectly. After giving these all stuff, I will be zooming in so you can just see it perfectly. Then after giving these all stuff, you have to move forward, and after moving forward, I will be just moving down after this figure tag which we have created, And after creating this figure tag here, I will be now writing here image. In source, I will be writing /assist images. Right here recent one, which is our image name. Then I will be now giving here the width 550. Then here you have to give the height as well of like 660. Then I will be now writing here loading is equals to lazy like this. And after writing this thing, you have to now create here a class of image cover. Then after writing this tag, you have to move down and write here UL tag class. And in class, I will be writing here awaiter and write here list item like this, or you can say absolute like at the top we have written. Then write here class here, it should be awaiter item. Then you have to now move down and write here a tag. And after writing a tag, you have to create here awaiter and write here image and write here holder. Then when you've written this, you have to give here the style effect, which should be width. So I will be now writing here width, and then I will be now writing here 100. So I will be writing like this, give a space like this after this, and then you have to close it. After closing this, you have to now write here height should be like 100, and then you have to move down, and then after moving down, you have to now directly move down and write here image source, which should be like /assist, and write here images, then write here /author3. So you can see this was our image here. Then write here width like this should be 100, and write here the height as well 100, and then write here loading is equals to lazy. And then you have to now write here like class should be image cover. Now when you've written this, you have to move down. After moving down this, you have to create here li tag class awaiter item. So I will be now writing here awaiter item like this, and write here a tag like this class here, and write here awaiter again, and then I will be now writing here image holder and write style, which should be like width. So here I will be writing 100, and then write here height 100. Then when you've written this, you have to write a tag which should be like image tag. So here I will be now writing here image and write here /assist and write images /author, and then I will be writing author 5 like this. This was the tag here. Then I will be now writing here the width 100 and height 100, and I will be now writing here loading, which should be lazy, and write here another tag which should be like class, and write here image cover. Now you have to directly move down after this tag, and then you have to now write here div class card content like this. And after writing this, you have to directly move down, write here class again, and write card meta list. Then you have to now write here li tag a tag and write here class card tag like this. And in the center, I will be writing lifestyle. And then you have to write here li tag a tag card tag here. And in this, I will be writing people. And after writing this people tag, you have to now write here li tag a tag class card tag, and then in this I will be writing video. And here you have to directly press enter, and then you have to now just directly move down after pressing enter here, and write here like h3 tag. In this I will be writing here class of h4, and write here a tag, then create here a class, and in class I will be writing card title, and in this card title I will be writing hover underline. So here I will be writing underline like this. And then you have to write here creating is then I will be writing privilege like this, but it's also, then I will be now writing here a gift like this. Now when you've written this, write here class which should be card text like this, and write here lorem tag, and then write this lorem with some things here. And then after writing, you have to just directly move down, and then after moving down, just you have to move after this div as well. And then after moving down, just you have to create a li tag again. So you can see this was the li tag which we were using. So I will be now moving down, and I will be copying till this li tag here. And after copying this, just you can move down here, and after moving down, you can just paste it again. After pasting, just you can change the image name. Like here we have just written the things like this, so you can just now set here the all the things which we have just now set here. So you can see we have just now written these all stuff like we were just setting perfectly. So now I will be writing here recent2.jpg, which will be our image name. Then here I will be giving it like author 5. This is like this. Then moving down, I will be now changing my other image name to like here we have just now given the like you can say absolute, and in this only we are just getting one image. So I will be removing one URL from here like we were getting like this. So here I will be removing this, and at the top I think we are also not getting, if I just show you. So here we are getting 2. So at the top only we should get 2, but now down we should get only one URL. So like this I have just done, I have written here only author 3 and author 5. If I show you, so you can see perfectly, it is written author 3 and author 5 like this. If I just show you, you can see this. Now, when you are getting these all stuff here, you have to directly do one thing this time. Like here, I will be now moving after this card, and here you have to change it to like design. So I will be writing here design like this, and I will be moving down and writing here product. So yeah, right here product, and then you have to write here idea. So I will be now changing this to idea like this. Now you have to just do one thing after like this. You can change this text as well. Like here I will be now writing being unique. So here I will be writing being unique is better than being perfect like this. Now you have to save it here and then reload. You can see now we are getting these two posts here like this. Then I will be copying this one post from till li tag by pressing Ctrl C, and then I will be now just pasting this li tag down here. After pasting this li tag here, you can see now we are just getting all the things perfectly working, means that it is also looking good. And this was our recent 2 if I show you, and now I will be changing this to recent 3. So after writing this, you can now change this author 5 image as well. So now you can just write here author 5 image, and then you can write it to like recent 3. Then I will be now pasting author 2 here, then copy this avatar again and paste it here. And after writing this, you can now change it to author 5. So here I will be now writing author 5. Then you have to copy this again like this we have copied, or then directly paste it. I will be changing it to author 1. After writing these all stuff, you have to now just change it to idea. So I will be now writing first like idea like this, and after writing idea, you have to now just directly down, you have to write here product and review. So here it is written product, just I will be changing idea to review, save it here. Then here I will be changing a text as well like here. So I will be now writing here like now we are, and I will be writing here getting somewhere like this. Now when you've written this, here you have to directly save it, and then you have to copy this li tag again like we have just now copy here. So I will be now pressing Ctrl C to copy this li tag here, and then after copying, just you can now down paste it here. So you can see now we have just pasted. Then after moving at the top, you have to change this recent 3 to recent 4. Only one we will be needing here, so I will be removing these two avatar frames which we are getting, and then in this avatar frame I will be now writing author 3 like this. After writing author 3, I have to now just change the names here. Like I will be only writing here 2, so I will be writing here design. So just you have to write here design like this, and I will be writing okay, first of all I will be writing here lifestyle like we have written at the top, and then down I will be writing design like this. Now you have to save it here, then change this text as well, means one line text. So I will be writing here that chick to getting, then I will be writing more than is to have the freedom. So I will be writing here to roam around like this. Then when you've written this, you have to save it here, and after saving, just you have to copy this li tag again like we have copied here by pressing Ctrl C, and after pressing Ctrl C, you can just paste it down here. So now after moving down, you can paste it down, and after just doing like this, you have to write here recent 5. Then I will be writing here author 1. Then you have to directly write here author 6 as well, means I will be copying this tag again, then paste it here, and I will be changing it to author 1 to author 6. Save it here now, and then change this lifestyle to like people. So I will be now writing here like I will be copying this li tag from here, this one, copy this, and then you have to paste it, and then I will be changing this lifestyle to like people like this, and here you have to now just change the spelling perfectly. So you can see now it is perfect. Then I will be writing here a story. Then you have to move down, and here you have to change it to lifestyle like we have written. Save it here, and after saving, just you have to now make the line change as well here as well. So I will be now moving here, and then I will be now removing this, and after moving, just you have to write here every day. Then I will be writing in every city. So here I will be writing in town across. So here I will be writing the country like this. Save it here, and then after saving, just you have to now directly do one thing. I will be just moving down after this li tag, means I will be copying this li tag again by pressing Ctrl C. You can copy this li tag. Okay, so by mistake I am copying two li tags. So I will be now moving at the top, and here you have to now directly copy one li tag which is still here. So copy this li tag now, and after copying this, you have to now directly do one thing. You have to paste it down here like this, and you can see this we have now pasted. and then we are getting here recent 5, so I will be changing it to recent 6, and only one awaiter we will be needing here, so I will be removing second one like this here. Now after removing this, you have to now just change it image to like author 1 to author 6, and recent 6 is written, which we have changed here now. Then I will be now writing here like I will be changing it to people, and then it is written perfectly. So here I will be now writing review like this. So here I will be writing review, and then I will be moving and changing in lifestyle to like a story like this. Save it here, and then you have to directly move down after this H4, and I will be writing here your voice. So here I will be writing your voice, your mind. Then I will be writing your story. Then you have to directly here your region like this. Then you have to save it here, and after saving you have to now directly move after this UL tag which we have written, and then after moving down right here button class btn, and then I will be writing here load more. Save it here, and then you have to reload. You can see now we are getting all this stuff, and then in the end we are getting the load more button as well. So you can see like this, you can do that. So after getting that all stuff, you can now just move down after this section tag, and you can create another section as well. But now I will be removing, and I will be doing like this, and you can see this is our blog website which is now ready. You can see we are getting all the things in this blog website here like we want. Like we are getting the bloggy logo at the top side here, and then at the right we are getting all the navbar menus like home, recent post, membership. Then this is the search box. Here you can search anything like this, which is looking awesome. You can see like this, if I write front end developer, you can see you can search here like this, and then you can close this by pressing this cross button. This is the join button from which you can join, and these are the blocks which we are getting, which is looking good. And we are getting also a slider effect in these block sections here. And if I move down, these are some of the block pictures which is looking really good. You can see we have done, and we have do it, it's styling using Tailwind CSS, and I hope you understand this. Then down we are getting also the things which is looking good, and I hope you understand this. Load button we are also getting, which is looking good. Then if I show you in the responsive effect, you can see this. In responsive also we are getting the navbar menus with the burger menu, which is looking good. Then the search box we are also getting here. By pressing this cross, our search box is also gone, and we are also getting a beautiful slider effect in mobile as well, which is looking good. And you can see in every device like this. If I show you in iPhone SE, it will be looking like this. In iPhone X, if I show you in iPhone XR, it will be looking like this. So in every mobile device, your blog will be looking really awesome, and I hope you'll be understanding this thing which we are building here. You can see this is the thing which we have just built from start. And now if I show you in the iPad mini, you can see like this, it will be showing. You can use the like slider to just slide your blogs. You can see like this. You can also create your own blog website and earn money with that. Like I'm telling you in the start, you can see all the things are perfectly looking. From load more button, you can load more blogs which you want to load. This is the navbar looking perfectly. Our search box is also looking good. So like this, we can just create our own blog website here using React.js, Express.js, and Tailwind CSS. And I hope you understand this project which we have just built here. Responsive effect we have given through Tailwind CSS. And I hope you understand this blog website which we have built. So if you have understand this video, if you enjoy this video from start to end, remember to hit a like to this video. And if you're new on this channel and want to see more videos like that, remember to subscribe on this channel. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build this project using these all amazing languages. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials using these all amazing languages. So for today, goodbye.